reach out for his hand. Don't ask any questions and don't try to understand. Open up your mind and then open up your heart. You will see that you and me aren't very far apart. 'Cause I believe love is the answer. I believe love will find a way. Violence is spread worldwide and families on the street. We sell drugs to children now. Why can't we just see that all we do is eliminate our future with the things we do today? Money is our incentive now, so that makes it okay. But I believe love is the answer. I believe love will find a way. I believe love is the answer. I believe love will find a way.
I just peace and love where I deal with it. See me, I say, one love, one aim, one destiny. United we stand, divided we fall. See me, I say, say it really matter if you're tough or if you're above. But just I deal with peace and love to the Father above. Straight.
I've been dating Lisa now for a little over a year. She said she never been so happy, but Lisa lives in fear that one day daddy's gonna find out she's in love with a thug from the street. Oh, how he would lose it then, but she's still here with me, 'cause she believes that love will see us through and he will understand.